Hi, this is Lou's Clean Eats, a vegan channel, and for anyone interested in gluten-free and sugar-free recipe ideas. If you are vegan or considering the transition, then this could be the channel for you. Oh, do you ever have those days where you just really fancy something and you're rummaging through the fridge and there's absolutely nothing in there? It's all empty. You've just got some very sad looking carrots. You're not really sure what you're going to do with those. There's a very uninspiring cabbage in here. I'm sure I'll make a soup or something with that. Yeah, it's not what I want. So feeling kind of uninspired. I want something cheesy and dirty. Yeah, time to look in the cupboards. So sometimes I'm feeling really lazy and I can't be bothered to cook, and I just want to cook something that's going to give me sort of a satisfying feeling. I want something cheesy and dirty and stodgy and not particularly healthy for me. So I sometimes have these days where I just rummage through the cupboard and dig out whatever I can find. So I've managed to dig out some bits and bobs here, which is just going to create a nice flavour for some really easy, lazy mac and cheese. You can put anything in there if you want to. If you're good, you can put in some vegetables, some cashews, grind them up and throw them in. But I haven't got anything like that today. So this is just a recipe for people who've got nothing in the fridge, can't be bothered to go to the shops, but just really want to have something nice and warm and home cooked. So this is my lazy mac and cheese with all the ingredients I've managed to dig out of my cupboard. I hope this is helpful and you enjoy. Thank you so much for checking out these videos, and if these are the kind of meal ideas that you like, head to my channel Lou's Clean Eats at YouTube and check out additional recipe ideas. So thanks again, and see you in my next video.